Normally, there's a hotel guest at the end of the right.
Oh yes, we. Sorry, we came from
There.
this one. This one.
Ask him.
Ask him.
He's a hotel.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. We will. Thank you. Thank you. So we're just finding our way to the early entry. Can I have my phone? Thank you. So early entry, main entry. Happy entry?
Yes, happy entry.
Thank you. Straight, thank you. Thank you. Because we stayed at the Disneyland Hotel and paid exorbitant amounts of money at Miracosta. So that's the main entrance of the Miracosta. And these stairs to Happy Entry are just here. Front entrance, Happy entrance. These are Happy Entry passes for DisneySea. Thank you. One time. Thank you, thank you. So that's security for Happy Entry. And now this is Happy Entry. And these lines are really short. Like, we're going to be through in, 1 or 2 minutes. And we've been told that we can enter at 8:15. I think the official time for opening is 9, but we were told 8:15 yesterday, so it's obviously pretty standard. And it's 10 to 8. So this is free Wi-Fi at the DisneySea gate. So I was just trying to see if it would be possible to do any of the premier passes or anything in the Happy Entry line, but no, it's just timing out. So definitely you have to be scanned into the park, which is there. That's the globe. So this is the Happy Entry now. It's not much bigger actually, and it's 8 AM. We enter at 8:15. There is free Wi-Fi here at the gate. I can't even hook up to it at the moment, so it's not really reliable. But a special note if you're thinking, oh well, I just need it to do the passes and everything at the gate. No, you need it inside, and you really do. You need it to see ride times and everything else. But also the passes to Disney Premier and Disney Priority don't appear until close to your entry time. So you need the internet to retrieve them. So you really do need some form of internet at both of the Tokyo Disney parks. What? Mickey Mouse. Go down and peep if you want, Sam. We just saw Mickey work. Oh, look. Must be a Christmas thing. That half hour we would have. That extra half hour would have been. There's Chip or Dale. So we just saw Mickey, Minnie, and all the other characters going to work. Oh, just so there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a photo and then I'll give you this. You can, then put it back on the app and then give it back to me, and then we'll scan Sam through. Got it.
Samantha, go. Okay, now you mum.
Yep.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, now we're walking.
Put it. Yep. Okay. If we get lost, we meet at that, okay? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You got it? I'm pretty sure we need to go to Tower of Terror.
That's fine.
But I'm not 100%. This should be processed in a minute, we'll know.
You can already see people sprinting there.
Yeah, that's okay. It's alright. Yeah, it's okay. She's doing it right now.
Oh, really?
Yep. Brooke, stop here. Process this, then we'll make a decision. There's a test run. Let's walk to Tower Terror.
Oh, no, never mind. You have to pay for both Tower Terror and Journey. You have to pay for both. pay for like $50.
What? We're going to Tower. Let's go to Tower. What? Wow.
Also, I just saw a free head necklace.
Do you agree? We'll walk to Tower.
Yes, do we pay for journey to Saturday or not?
But remember, Tower is, I don't know.
Yeah. Indiana Jones?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, Indiana Jones. There we go. Look at that. We have Indiana Jones. We definitely have Sea of Dreams viewing area 1. So there were 2
Wonderful.
viewing areas.
Wonderful. Toy Story?
Sure. I wonder what they're building. The phone's in your bag.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll line up for Tower of Terror right after this, okay?
Did you buy your tickets?
We've done everything we can now. Thank you. How long? How many minutes, please?
It's 30. Guys, 30.
Thank you. So, this ride opens at 8:30. Tower of Terror opens at 9, which is what we were going for. So we've kind of ended up at Toy Story, but Toy Story is really fun too. Oh. Cute popcorn holders people bring. That's true, yeah.